Welcome viewers to electric repair tips. This is a small phone. It's not charging, it's not turning on, it's draining the battery. Right, let's open it and remove the battery. We need to test the battery. Let's switch on our multimeter to 20 volts DC. Let's test the battery. The battery is 0 voltage. Now we are about to plug the charger to the phone. We want to check if the phone is charging or if do we receive 5 volts from the charger. Let's test phone terminals. Phone terminals, 0 voltage. Let's open the phone, take off all the screws. Right, it's good to know all this or to go step by step on how to fix if a phone is not turning on. We have removed all the screws. Let's open it and check out the engine. This is an ltel 2160. Right, my word of advice, do not drop these phones. Right, we're left with the engine. We still want to check the voltage from the charger through but before that, let's use our sellotape to lock, to protect the LCD from getting damaged. Now it's safe. This is ltel 2160. We've plugged in the charger. Let's test our voltage from the phone terminals, 0 voltage. We are to test voltage or 5 volts on the charging port. Nothing. Means the charging port is damaged. So we need to change the charging port. 5 volts, which means it's damaged. It's damaged. It's damaged. Our charging port is damaged. So let's unplug the charger and we want to remove the charging port. Right, we've removed the plastic. Now Let's apply flux on the charging port. This time around, I'm not going to use hot air. I'll be using a small gas gun, this type. To those who have got questions and those who want to know much about this tool, this is how it works. Right, I've light with sun lighter. Now I'm heating under the engine. We want to remove the charging port. Right, like that, it's done. This is how you do these things. Right, let's look both sides. Yeah, we didn't burn the engine. It was removed nicely, or we hit it nicely. Right, if this video is helpful, give a thumb, a like, a comment. Right here we are going to replace the charging port with a new. This is a new from the shop. This is how we hold it, and we are going to place it like this. But before that, let's apply flux on the engine to make our life easier. Thank you guys. I've light the gas gun again. Let's wait a bit. You have to exercise this. Right, I'm ready to replace with a new. This is how you hold it. Before you press it, first hit the engine or the place where you are supposed to, and now apply. Put it as it is. It's done. It's done, guys. It's easy to do this. Right? Let's check. We didn't damage the engine. We replaced it nicely. So, to anyone who have got a question, let's meet in the comment section. If you want help, right, here we are checking we received 2.5 volts, but there is a challenge. We want to show you that this phone is shorted somewhere. There is still a short. Look what is going to happen with those two LEDs. They will turn off when I plug in the charger, like that. Once again, like that. If I remove, like that. But our battery terminals are receiving 2.5 volts. Right. Let's go on checking the voltage. It's still on charge. Let's check and find out. Here we are getting 2/5, that is 2.5 volts. Right, here direct on the charging port 3.7. we're receiving 3.7. we are to unplug it. Now let's put it back on the board, but this phone is not going to switch on because of the short which is on the phone. It's not going to turn on. Right, let's put on the battery. Right here, let's switch on. See what is going to happen. Like that. It's ending there. Only my camera is not taking everything. I just want you to take a look on the LCD. There is it's flashing, it's flickering. There is a light, it's flickering. Anyway, now I have connected on charger. See what is happening there. The two LEDs, that when they turn on, the lights, they turn on and off, on and off. According to this turning on and turning off, whether the phone is switched on or it's plugged on charger, this situation, it means that the diagnostic is going deeper. It's going deeper now. Some causes this when dropping the phone, or when you put it on a moisture area using the wrong charger or a damaged charger, or dropping the phone. All these can lead to this type of problem. Now let's go on, and don't forget to keep on playing the video to see more tips. I thank you. Right, now this phone, let's remove this label. We want to remove this cover to check some components which are around the two IC, the CPU and the power IC. If we can't find any shorted component, that means it's the CPU which needs to be rebuilt. Right, yes, we removed it. Right, let's switch on our multimeter to diode mode. We want to test, let's check for half shot and full shot on the terminals. After that, yeah, right, Let's check half shot. There's no full shot there. Right, we are to check all the components, resistors and capacitors that are around the 2IC. So let's test. There's no any shorted component on the engine. Lastly, we have to check all the components. Thank you guys. That means this phone it's needed, rebelling is needed. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. See you on my next video.